Mix and mash, away in a flash. We're going on an adventure.
With me, Gisele!
Imagine all the magic in the mashup mixer. Mix and mash, away in a flash.
What are your 3 words for the mashup mixer, Luke?
Pizza, train, and dinosaur.
Our adventure awaits! Mix and mash, and away in a flash! Woo! Woo! All aboard! The Gisele and Luke Express! Next up, Cloud 9.
Cloud 9? Where's that? Wait, there it is, up in the sky.
How are we gonna get up there?
This must be a flying train. We just need to find a launching pad.
Will that big hill do the trick?
Full speed ahead.
I think the hill is waking up. Also, I don't think it's a hill at all.
Wow, it's a dinosaur.
I wasn't expecting that.
Uh-oh, better set a new course.
Close call.
It's not done playing with its food. Look! There's a cave up ahead. Our hungry friend won't be able to fit inside.
Lead the way. At this rate, we'll never get to Cloud 9 Station.
Huh? You smell pizza?
It's coming from back there.
My first customers ever! Oh, welcome to my pizza stand. What can I get you?
Aha! I think I know how to solve our hungry dinosaur problem. We'll take 400 large vegetarian pizzas, please.
Coming right up!
So we're just gonna breeze over the fact that a talking bear is making pizza? Okie dokie. He's definitely not hungry anymore. Your plan worked, Luke.
Looks like our grateful friend wants to return the favor. Get ready for liftoff.
Up, and away!
Next stop, Cloud 9 Station.
Mix and mash, away in a flash. We're going on an adventure. Imagine all the magic in the mashup mixer. Mix and mash, away in a flash.